Hello everyone, today is Valentine's Day. I wish you the best Valentine's Day ever. If you don't know what to eat, I have a recipe to share with you. Very easy, fast, and very French. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. The recipe is on the screen. 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder. You can omit the baking powder. Sometimes I don't use, sometimes I do. So with the baking powder, it will help rise a little bit. 1 egg. Now I already mixed the dry ingredients. Now I will beat the egg separately. I found that if I beat the egg separately, the egg dissolve better. And I add cream. I use cream here for the richness of the crepes. So I mix the wet and dry ingredients together now, and whatever don't have enough cream, I use milk. You can use water instead. And here now I go melt the 1 tablespoon butter. If you want to more richness, you can use 2 tablespoons. But at the time we are making crepes in a pan, we will use butter again, so I use only 1 tablespoon here. You can add a tablespoon of sugar or honey. I don't do that. I use 1 tablespoon of whipped cream. It's not sweet, but it has a little bit flavor in there. So mix everything, let it rest for 30 minutes or an hour, and then now I on the pan I melt the butter onto it, and I spread my batter onto the pan. So I use small pan here, so I use about more than a 1/4 cup each time. And when you see the edge dry a little bit, then you can flip. You can flip without using the spatula, but I find that using the spatula is a lot easier. It don't go anywhere, don't have the risk of dropping on the floor. So you done until all the batters was used. Now I stuff my crepes. You see, I do about a ladle of the stuffing. The stuffing is mushrooms, celery, onions, bok choy. You need to come back to see the other video for the stuffing. I use a few kind of mushroom here, button mushroom, the enoki mushroom, and the onions. So I make two thighs, one is square and the other is round, and that's it. I make two plates, but this recipe you can make 4 servings. This is one version of savory that I use shrimps. Shrimp already cooked, and I slice it in half. I only cook this, and the way I cook my shrimp, I just drop them into the broth. And the rule of thumb that if you want to cook shrimp, you need to have the water boiling, piping boiling, because that will have the texture of your shrimp better. So I just split it in half and I put it back on the plate, and then it will look like a heart shape for me. If it doesn't look a lot like a heart, then you maneuver a little bit. That's it. I don't do a lot of fuss here. So now to make them more beautiful, I use radishes here to make a flower. Very easy. I use a piece of lemon, a cup here, and I put the radishes around, and in the middle I will roll a piece, very small piece in the middle, it's so that it resembles the rose. If your radish is very hot, you can soak your radish slices in salt water, and it will softer for you. And that's it. Don't they look beautiful? Thank you for watching. I will see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.